Hello everyone, my name is Anna Marcelino and I'll be presenting on microlearning and stackable credentials and how they can be used in higher education. So first, what is microlearning? So microlearning is a learning concept where students learn in short segments. So microlearning can be used in higher education as a way to offer credentials for specific skills. So students go through these microlearning courses and are awarded micro-credentials or mini certificates, which are often awarded as either digital badges or digital certificates. And this way, students can display their learning. Now, microlearning has the potential to offer stackable credentials. So stackable credentials are mini certifications students have earned through microlearning courses that have built on each other. So as these courses have built on each other, they can then be stacked together and applied towards either a certification program or course credit for a degree plan. Now there is a couple phases that this will work through. So phase one, students enroll in the program that's established by the university, and then students earn their mini credentials after they have mastered the specific skill. Then once students have completed a certain number of these microlearning courses, they can then stack the courses together and transfer them over as either course credit or as a certification for non-degree seeking students. There are several benefits to stackable credentials. Probably the one that stands out most to students is how affordable they can be. So because microlearning occurs in short, concise segments, these classes have the ability to be very affordable. Next, they're very flexible for professionals. So because of their short nature, it's a great option for professionals who are full-time but still looking to acquire education on a part-time basis. Now, they are also extremely marketable, so this is a great benefit for the university. So once students meet the requirements to earn their mini credential, students will earn a digital badge or digital certificate. Now these badges can kind of be thought of as a transcript. Students use these badges and can display them on their resume, on their LinkedIn, on various social media profiles. And this is a way for the university to develop a pipeline of students. So let's say I saw a colleague had earned a mini credential from the university. That might spark my interest, and then I would go and enroll in the same program. Next, these mini credentials are very skill focused, so this helps close that learning gap that employers are seeing in students. So we know that when students are leaving the university, they aren't always equipped with specific skills that employers really need in the workforce. So this is a way for employers to kind of close that gap and have well-rounded employees. There are great examples of universities using microlearning already. One that stands out on this slide is Drexel University. So Drexel University offers these short learning experiences that are about 3 hours long, and right now they're offering one on brain science and reading. The University of Buffalo is another university that really stands out in micro-credentials because they offer such a wide variety of micro-credential opportunities. So if looking at the University of Buffalo's website, they had courses ranging from leadership coaching all the way to diabetes mentorship. So all of these programs students could enroll in and earn many credentials based off of all of these learning opportunities. So in conclusion, microlearning paired with stackable credentials have the potential to really transform the higher learning landscape. These courses help professionals close learning gaps, but it also offers students an affordable, flexible, and personalized learning experience, which we know all students are looking for as we move forward into this new age of education.